Are you driving an Audi and you would like to change the map settings from standard maps to satellite maps or vice versa, but you are not entirely sure how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how you can change the map settings from standard to satellite or vice versa on both the Audi Virtual Cockpit as well as on the Audi MMI navigation screen. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Navigation. Click on the settings symbol in the top right corner. Go to Map Settings. By clicking on this button, the standard maps will automatically be changed to satellite maps on both the Audi Virtual Cockpit as well as on the Audi MMI navigation screen. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.